Okay, let's glue B3 to B7. No problem. We did that. Okay, let's glue all this shit together. No problem. We did that. And let's glue this shit together. I don't want to get it out of the bucket. It's too small. We'll just leave that in there. It's in there somewhere. And let's glue that to that. Well, that's already there. Here's this piece. And here's this piece. Yep. And here's this piece. Yep. And this one goes in the middle of here. And then the back piece, where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. There's the back piece. So just got the side pieces and this little piece of photo etch here. You see PE 810. Holy shit. PEB10. Okay. Well, here's B13. And I just want you to know that little piece of photo etch went flying when I tried to bend it into place. Where'd it go? It's almost there if you don't look that close. It's kind of round like this, kind of, and it goes in there. But funny thing is, it zinged out of my tweezers when I was trying to bend it, and it hit the floor down here. And I got my flashlight, and the minute I turned it on, I saw this shiny thing, and I picked it up, and it was that. And now it's glued in place and on the model. Can you believe it? Okay. So with that and B1, which is over here, labeled B1 because I don't want to mix them up, it's ready to have the chassis glued together. I think I got all the pieces. Yep. And then we get down here into adding some pieces on. So, yeah. Holy shit. That's where we're at. Panda Models suck. See y'all later. Bye.